Banana, a growing plant that is endemic to Southeast Asia bears that fruit known as a banana. They are one of the most well-known and commonly grown fruits in the world, and many different types are grown for both economic and household consumption. The skin of a banana is smooth, golden, and occasionally somewhat green. Bananas are long, curving fruits. Bananas typically measure 7 to 9 inches in length and 2 to 3 inches in diameter. When a banana is ripe, the skin is often yellow, but depending on the variety, it can also be green, red, or purple. During the rainy or monsoon season, when the soil is moist and can adequately hydrate the new plants, bananas are often planted. Bananas are commonly farmed in a tropical and subtropical settings where the planting season normally lasts from April to June. In areas where there is a dry season, planting might take place in September or October following the wet season. It is crucial to keep in mind that the precise planting period may change based on the local climate and growing circumstances. Furthermore, some industrial banana farms might grow bananas year round in climate controlled greenhouse or fields.
A banana's interior is made up of many fleshy, cream-colored segments that are encircled by flimsy white membranes. A central core holds the segments together, and they have little, unpalatable black seeds inside. The texture of banana's flesh is slightly sticky, sweet, and soft, depending on the local climate, including temperature, rainfall, or soil type, and market demand. Different regions may be utilized for growing different types of bananas.
Nutritive value of banana fruit. Bananas are a healthy source of fiber. Pectin is one of the form of fiber that can be found in bananas. Bananas contain some water-soluble pectin. One of the main causes of bananas becoming sulfur with age is the rise in water-soluble pectin content when bananas ripe. Pectin and resistant starch both help to lower post-meal blood sugar spikes. Potassium, a diet high in potassium, can lower blood sugar pressure in people with elevated levels and benefits heart health. Vitamin B6, vitamin C, up to 33% of the daily value of the vitamins can be found in one medium-sized banana, and various antioxidants and phytonutrients. When bananas are ripe, they contain sugar instead of starch, which makes them a rich source of carbohydrates. Sucrose, fructose, and glucose are the three sugars that are most frequently found in the ripe bananas. The total sugar content of ripe bananas might exceed 16% of the fresh weight, depending on how ripe they are. Bananas have a 42 to 58 glycemic index, which is comparatively low value. The GI is a measure of how rapidly blood sugar is raised by food's carbohydrates. The reason for bananas' low GI is the higher amount of resistant starch and fiber. Bananas that are still green and unripe contain sizable levels of the dietary fibers, pectin, and resistant starch. People with diabetes can safely eat modest amounts of bananas, although they may wish to avoid eating a lot of completely ripe. It should also be highlighted that diabetics should constantly make sure to truly check their blood sugars levels after consuming food high in carbs and sugars.
Importance and benefits of banana. One of the more wholesale snacks you may include in your diet is a banana. They are good source of potassium as well as other vital minerals and vitamins that aid in vital bodily processes. Most people know that bananas contains potassium. The electrical charge of this essential mineral and electrolytes causes nerve cells to produce messages that cause the heart to to beat regularly, and muscle to contract. Consuming foods high in potassium can help prevent high blood pressure and atherosclerosis. Consuming low meals may help people lose and keep up weight. In a study of healthy pregnant women, a high diet was linked to more weight gain at term than a low GL diet that was nutrient balanced. Another investigation into the relationship between diet and type 1 diabetes problems found that the GL of the average diet was a reliable predictor of male waist circumference. A protein found in bananas called lectin has been linked to laboratory studies that claim it may help stop the growth of leukemia cells, and antioxidant is lectin. Free radicals and molecules that are removed from the body by antioxidants. A build-up of too many free radicals may cause cell damage and eventually cancer.